Hey, Dave Taylor here again, and this time I want to talk about speakers, about little tiny speakers. These are from a company called UB+. UB+. And they're actually pretty amazing. You can see it's a tiny little speaker. Let me give it some music. So you can hear that, hopefully. Pretty nice sound, but what makes this really, what makes it really interesting is it has a pairing mode. So if you have two of these and the handy included cord, you can actually plug one into the other, and it just goes in. Here you can see on the back there's something called Buddy Stereo. So that's what we're going to use. So now I have stereo. Yep, both of them are rocking away there. And it obviously gives you better quality sound, but then there's more. But wait, there's more, because you can also get these little extender doohickeys, and I gotta say I'm not a massive fan of these, but it's an interesting idea. They're sort of what they're doing is that since some of the sound comes out of the bottom, they're saying, well, if you lift that off the bottom, then you're gonna have a good result. So you can put this on here, and now you have this protective bottom, which is supposed to work a little better, but then you put it on this unit, which is just a little piece of plastic, and I'll Buddy Stereo it back in. So the idea is that this one's going to give you even better sound. Now, I'm sort of 50. Wow, it's very tropical in here. So I'm not hugely sold on the little gizmo on the bottom, but the speakers themselves, I gotta say, seriously, for their size, they are quite something. And there we go. It doesn't really want to let go. But I mean, you can see this fits in my fist, which means I can have both of them and the cable easily in my backpack or a suitcase. And then with just a little bit of spread, you get that spatial stereo separation. Really pretty nice. And they run on a 20 hours on a charge, which is just through a regular old micro USB Bluetooth connecting. And you can pick them up at Amazon. They're about $43.90 each. I don't know why I said about. They're exactly $43.90 each. Or you can learn out more about these at ubplus.com. I'll show you here. That's the URL. It's kind of hard to say that out loud. But you can go on there and you can learn more about these. But these are pretty slick little speakers for under $100 for the pair. It gives you some really nice sound, and the bass is actually surprisingly rich. It is actually a surprisingly rich sound. So let me Buddy Stereo it back in, and we'll just fade to black here with just a little bit more peppy tropical music. So this is Dave Taylor, and I'll catch you in my next video.